Why do some people advance quickly in their career and others don't? Well, they believe in themselves and they're lifelong learners. They teach themselves new skills to stay competitive in this fast-changing world of work and adapt to new routines faster than anyone. I'm Marinho. I'm the Director of Marketing for Canada's largest HR firm, Adecco. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to learn new skills that will help you stay competitive in today's world of work in 5 steps. Let's begin. Step 1, assess your skills. Knowing what you don't know is the most valuable piece of information. Start off by making a list of required skills for your dream career. Take your time on this step and do your research. Talk to people who've succeeded in a similar career path. Then start grading yourself objectively for each skill. The results will get you a good start in planning your lifelong learning project. Step 2, act like a project manager. Think of your career as a very long project and think of yourself as the project manager. Identify the challenges and opportunities in your career project. This is a great start to understanding what skills you need to improve to stay competitive and/or to achieve your objectives. For example, if you're a sales executive, take a moment and think about the top skills needed to succeed in this type of role. And grade yourself for each skill objectively, and then put them in order of importance. This will tell you where to start learning new skills. Step 3, seek out a mentor to guide you. Learning from your past achievements and failures is essential to career success. But how about learning from somebody else's past experiences? The mentor can point you in the right direction to achieve your goals. Seek out a mentor if you don't have one. Find someone who can guide you through your learning and development. From identifying right skills to receiving your feedback on your growth. The mentor would be a great boost for both learning and new skills and advancing in your career. Step 4, act, don't delay. Delaying is a big enemy of actualizing our big projects in life. In order to avoid procrastination, find ways to make yourself committed to your goals. Set times on your calendar every week to work on yourself and let your colleagues, friends, and family know about the projects and efforts. Telling people about what you do is a great psychological technique to keep yourself accountable. I do it all the time. Step number 5, reflect on growth and optimize your learning. Knowing what to learn and how to learn takes time. You might get tempted to work on things that are in your comfort zone, or you might have the wrong resources or technique to learn your objective skills. Every month, spare some time to do reflection and understand the pitfalls of opportunities in your learning journey. This will help you achieve the best results in the shortest time frame. This week, we covered 5 steps to achieving your learning goals to boost your career. I hope you like them. If so, please feel free to share them with your network. And remember to let us know what you think in the comments below. Stay safe and remember that we are here to help you.